Guys, what's up? How do you do? What's the time where you are? For me, I'm in Kenya. It's around 1 p.m. in the afternoon. So guys, if you're new here, welcome a lot. I'm Vet Mercy. Thanks for always coming back to watch my videos. I don't take that for granted. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, share, and comment so that I know what you think about this specific video. So guys, I'm passionate about cooking and showing you how I blend my spices to make the favorable meal. So far so good, in that, as you all know, herbs, as in the so-called spices, brings in the flavor together with the aroma in your food. So that's why I'm so concerned when it comes to adding your flavors in the food. So guys, thanks again for stopping by. If you like this video up to where you've reached, kindly give it a thumbs up. So thank you guys. Today I want to prepare so-called spaghetti. In case you've been cooking different types of meals and you feel like you're running out of ideas on what to cook, spaghetti can be very quick to cook and it's also nutritious. Your family will love it. So that's why today I've decided to share with you how I make my spaghettis by adding differently, in that the taste and the aroma become so different. So guys, stay tuned and watch me up to the end, and don't forget to subscribe. So with me here, I had already lit my fire. It's working, as you can see, and my pan is even almost burning. So I'm gonna add some hot water. Then I also add some salt to taste, as you can see. So guys, the eggs are ready. We're gonna dip them in cold water. And zoom it in.
I bought this one.
Which one? Because most times golden brown. Who opened the room? Baby's hungry. Drink, Mama. Drink. Now we're gonna put in our spices. This one is for aroma together with the flavor.
Then I mix.
Coriander.
Are you sure that's good? Most of the things that usually buy from spices usually just use tropical foods. Why is it that you like it? Yeah. Is that your onion inside is always white, and when it comes to its powder, it's always dark. You know, Ian is smart. You know, Ian today, it was in the heat again. And catch the human needed shocked him. Then you say him, yeah, that's a common catch. He has this one here. And it shocked him. I thought he was kind. Yeah. Then you say him, yeah, that's a common catch.
So this is how you taste.
I'll just take them. Let's take for yourself. I want to take when it's mixed with spices.
coming out at the same time. Yeah.
Hi. Hi.
We're gonna drain the water.
How will you do it?
Yeah. Looks fine. Koroga hiyo. Koroga alafu nichungie hivi.
It's hot. And it's so big.
Washed with cold water. Now leave it inside the Then bring them out.
The last one, the last.
What's sugar shake?
Hi. Say hi. Hi.
Thanks again guys for clicking. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, see you in the next one. Bye.